what happened?
I pray nothing ever happens to your eyes because your career is over.
What?
Were you thinking? What is this? What was she thinking? Hey guys, welcome back to her YouTube channel,
My YouTube channel.
Okay, today we're going to be doing a makeup, but yeah, it's not the regular makeup, Today we're going to be putting a little bit of spice in it. Today we are going to be doing a makeup blindfolded.
As a badass makeup artist,
we
don't need our eyes anymore.
Alright, let's do this.
So let's try. Don't go anywhere, okay? If this is your first time visiting my channel or seeing this pretty face and seeing this semi-pretty face, please don't make it your last by hitting the subscribe button down below. Also turn on your bell notifications so when I upload amazing videos like this, you will not miss out. And I'm sure you will like it at the end of this. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up. See you guys in the video. Bye.
Bye. Blindfolds on.
Oh, okay.
So these are the rules of this game, of makeup game.
Is this Squid Game?
Whatever she asks for, whatever product she demands of me, I'm going to give it to her. And then she uses it on my face.
Okay? And I'm actually use this medium to test out the new foundation I just got. So, yes, let's do that. Foundation. Beauty blender. Face. Have you even get to the blending out? I'm not feeling it on my wrist. Is that to the entry?
That's enough, oh.
Madam.
I didn't tell her you're being wicked.
Excuse me. What is weird? Who's that girl? Are you not supposed to tell me? Where's your face?
Okay. And the foundation shall go around the face.
Tell me at least when I'm getting to your hair.
The father tell me. You're professional. That bad now.
It can't be that bad. Oh my god. Please continue.
Okay. Okay.
Don't laugh again. I can hear the laughter jilling up you.
Okay, I think I'm done with the foundation.
Okay.
What do you call that?
We're done with foundation.
Concealer.
Concealer. You want to try concealer?
Yes, but you have to. The shade. See, professional. I don't even need that to tell me the shade. I know my shades. Apple brush.
Thank you.
Have that down.
Okay, powder palette. Powder brush.
Let's contour her face. Okay, slightly slant brush. No with brown body. Okay. Contour the nose with our pencil nose. Okay, setting powder. Setting powder. Eye pencil. Fully. I just knew it was big joke. Okay. Was at this point, I think this will stop for now.
So we'll call it a day. And we have come to the end of our blindfolded makeup.
I want to see.
All right, so we're going to be folding her.
Let me see my marvelous job.
Aren't you excited?
Yes, I'm so excited.
Before we do this, I need to ask, how do you feel?
I feel so empowered. I feel like I can do anything right now.
So, do you think you've done a good job?
Yes, I think I did a very good job.
All right.
What do you think?
I'll just let you be the judge of that. So let's unwrap her eyes and see. Unfold. So let's unfold her eyes and see if she would love what she's done. Wow, way too much light. Oh my goodness.
What happened?
I pray nothing ever happens to your eyes because your career is over. Over.
But I tried the skin work though. I tried.
Okay, for the skin work, I think you did a good job. Initially, it was almost as though it was too much, but after the contour and highlighter, I think it was okay. Then for the lips, for some reason, you think my lips extended to this corner. I just kept on going and going, and I'm like, hey, hold on, my lips did not get there. So, aside that, okay, and then the eyebrows. What were you thinking? What is this? What was she thinking?
I wanted it to look like mine.
Like, what is this? What is it? I don't get it.
Nothing should ever happen to my eyes. I swear.
And then one went this way and went way up there.
Since I don't mind
And
that,
then one
rate it from a blind person's perspective. Like, a blind person did this. Rate it.
Console yourself all you want. You can't wear this out. Imagine wearing this out.
You look good.
Okay, but aside that, I think you tried.
Yeah.
Yeah. So thanks for watching,
We've
guys.
come to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. I hope it was much fun for you guys as it was for us. Whatever she says, I know I give myself a 10 over 10. You guys can rate this marvelous look down in the comment section. Hoping to see your comments, okay?
Alright,
Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, oh. Bye. Subscribe. Hit the subscribe button down below. Bye-bye.